Sizwe Nxasana is a chartered accountant and banker and is currently CEO of First Rand Bank. Nxasana was born in Durban and completed his education at Marion Hill High School. He arrived at Fort Hare to study a degree in marketing, but after meeting Wiseman Kohlu, South Africa's first black chartered accountant, Nxasana was inspired enough to change his career. He went on to become one of the first 10 African CAs in South Africa. In 1989, he established Sizwe & Co., the first African firm of chartered accountants. 11 years later, Nxasana joined Telkom as Chief Executive Officer. During his 7-year tenure, he oversaw the listing of Telkom on the JSE and the New York Stock Exchange. During the time of his departure, shares initially offered at 28 Rand were trading at 117 Rand. He has held various positions in the financial services industry and has received many peer-driven awards as well as 3 honorary doctorates. In 2010, Nxasana was appointed CEO of the First Rand Group and in the process became the most senior black executive in the African banking industry. Nxasana is passionate about education and chairs a number of funds and foundations. He has recently become involved in the National Education Collaboration Trust, working with unions, private sector and civil society to improve the quality of education in South Africa. In the same way Nxasana was inspired to follow his mentor, he has used his experience and influence to encourage the next generation of budding African accountants.